Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by making Alexa discoverable and your phone ready. You want the device powered on the same Wi-Fi and the phone's Bluetooth enabled. Open the Alexa app and tap Devices, then Echo and Alexa, choose your Echo, and select Bluetooth devices. Once done, put the Echo in pairing mode from the app or by saying, "Alexa, pair." This initiates the handshake so your phone can detect the speaker and begin the connection process quickly. On your phone, look in Bluetooth settings for the Echo XYZ entry. It should appear within seconds after Alexa is in pairing mode. Tap the device name to pair and accept any system permissions that allow audio or media control. Once paired, Alexa will confirm. Make sure the phone's media output is set to the Echo when playing audio. If pairing stalls, turn Bluetooth off and on, return to the Alexa app, and repeat the pairing command to reinitiate. Once connected, play music from any app and choose the Echo as the audio output. Voice commands still work. To reconnect later, say, "Alexa, connect to my phone," or select the saved device in the Alexa app. If audio fails or pairing drops, restart your Echo and phone, use your phone's Bluetooth menu to forget the Echo, then repeat pairing steps. This clears cached profiles and fixes most issues. If problems persist, check for firmware updates and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.